How to buy Nebulas NAS. Beginner's Guide. Nebulas describes itself as an autonomous metanet, which focuses on on-chain data, interactions, and collaboration. Its hyper-mapped structural metadata can reportedly handle increasingly complex on-chain data and describe these interactions. On 15 April 2019, the team released Nebulas Nova, a blockchain network with native on-chain incentive. After Nebulas Nova goes live, developers and users will be able to participate in the development of the Nebulas ecosystem to realize its vision: let everyone benefit fairly from decentralized collaboration. To facilitate ecosystem development, asset management, and promote the autonomous metanet, the founding team of Nebulas will form the Nebulas Community Group, together with the community. The Nebulas Community Group comprises 3 organizations: Nebulas Council, Nebulas Foundation, and Nebulas Technical Committee. These organizations will supervise each other and support the sustainable development of Nebulas. Use cases: search and query, provide cross-chain search capabilities, and unique search functions within dApps. Interactive on-chain marketing, a new form of on-chain interactive marketing, laying the foundation for on-chain data monitoring and analysis. Project rating assessment, provide data support for single-chain or cross-chain project evaluation. Transaction testing and market forecasting, ecosystem reporting of the blockchain economy and provide data analysis for market forecasting. Venture capital and incubation, prospect new projects and explore new venture capital fields. Gaming, social network, etc. Explore transactions, interactions and power new dApps with on-chain search capabilities. Quick guide: how to buy NAS. Get some Bitcoin to exchange for this cryptocurrency. Register for an account with an exchange like Binance. Enable two-factor authentication. Click on Funds, and select Deposits. Select Deposit Coin. Copy the wallet address or scan the QR code. Transfer BTC into your account. Click Exchange, and select Basic. Search for the pair you want to trade. Select a limit, market or stop limit order. Enter the amount you want to buy. Review transaction details. Confirm your purchase. Where to buy NAS. Comparing exchanges can help you find the right fit for your needs. We've looked at more than 20 exchanges, and you can sort our comparison table by deposit method, fiat currency support and crypto support. You can find NAS tokens on the following crypto in the video description.